Continents don't drift by accident, they are pushed. But pushed by what? How can solid rock move like it's floating? And why does this movement never stop? The answer is hidden deep beneath the Earth's surface. The Earth is a heat machine. Earth is not cooling quietly, it is constantly releasing heat from inside. This heat comes from deep layers, from pressure, from radioactive energy. Heat wants to escape. The slow motion below our feet. The layer beneath tectonic plates is not solid rock. It behaves like thick, hot wax. It moves very slowly, centimeters per year, but this slow motion never stops. The plates are passengers. Tectonic plates do not move on their own, they are carried. As hot material rises, it spreads sideways. As it cools, it sinks again. This creates a constant push and pull movement. Plates are forced to move with it. The gravity is the force that joins the force. Some plates become heavier with time. When they reach a weak zone, they sink. Gravity takes over, and once a plate starts sinking, it pulls the rest with it. Movement becomes unstoppable. The surface responds. This movement shapes everything. Mountains rise, oceans open, earthquakes release pressure, volcanoes find paths, Earth adjusts itself again and again. And our planet is not static, it is constantly correcting itself. Follow Smart Study Zone to understand the Earth's one simple idea at a time.